said yes. You said yes. Let's get started. I'll tell you what this is about. Hello everybody, how are you? I am back in the mountains, as you can see. You've seen the title, you probably wonder what I'm talking about. Here's the thing, I have a second channel, and the idea for that channel was actually to do data and data visualization videos and data literacy. But there's been two problems for me to update that channel. The first one is I wanted to be data agnostic. I didn't want to use or showcase any tools for that. And that has proven quite difficult. You can't do any meaningful data visualization without a tool unless that you use PowerPoint. I didn't want to do a PowerPoint YouTube channel, so that made it a bit tricky about what topics I could talk about. And the second one was time. I mean, I'm doing 3 videos a week on this channel. It was really hard to do a fourth back there. So everything has led to the fact that I haven't updated that much. I really want to do this. I'm really interested in data visualization. And you know that this week I thought, why not ask you? Why should I have those videos on the second channel? Maybe you want to see that too. So I asked on YouTube, on Twitter, I asked on LinkedIn too. So you might have seen the quiz or not, but it was overwhelming yes for you guys. I'm so happy for that, because I really want to do that. It's going to help me learn, and hopefully it will help you learn too. So absolutely, I'm up for it. So I'm actually going to start a data visualization series on the channel. Here's the thing, I am not going to do PowerPoint presentations, and I would probably cover theory in disguise with practice. So I'm not a big fan of just, again, PowerPoint presentations where you show theoretical things of data design. It just doesn't, I don't find it useful. So it's going to be more a practical thing. Obviously we talk about theory, but again, embedded in practical examples. So really looking forward to that. And again, it's not going to be only data visualization. I do want to do data literacy too, because I do believe that they are connected. In order for us to be able to do good data visualizations, we need to be more data literate. I know that I'm not especially good at that, because I see, for example, on Twitter and other social channels where people show, okay, what's wrong with this visual, or look, oh my god, this visual is so it's missing, or it's trying to mislead, it's so misleading. And I'm looking at it like, where? And sometimes I have to wait for somebody to actually spell it out for me, which basically means that I'm not very good at reading charts, and I do want to be better. So I'm thinking that if we learn a little bit about how charts should be read, if we take a look at visualizations that are out there, both misleading and good, and try to understand what makes it good, maybe try to reproduce it. Power BI is fairly limited when it comes to data visualizations. I always find myself doing a lot of workarounds, which is such a pity, but it is what it is. So we probably will use second tools like Charticulator to create the charts that we want. Maybe we can do some specific projects with some data sets. I've done a few. It would be very popular, to be honest. But we might continue doing them in maybe a longer video instead of separate them. Let's see how it works. But I'm really excited about doing this with you guys. It's going to be very useful. I can finally start doing some data visualizations videos as I want it. Now, what's going to happen with the second channel? I'll post a video on the second channel to explain, but what I'm going to do there is more about, I'm reading a few data books. I have a goal of reading like a data book a month. So I'm going to try to do reviews there, thoughts about data visualization, thoughts about tools, so more like a general discussion about data. And let's see how that goes. But when it comes to practical things, creating data charts and all that stuff, I'll do it in this channel. So the structure will be probably Monday will be Power Query, Power BI, depending on the material that I have. And then I will do on Wednesdays start the data visualization series. Let's see what you guys like, what I can come up with, and let's create a new series on the channel. Yay! I have the most amazing place. Look at that. So let's not waste this video just to talk and introduce the series. How about we get started? And in today's video, what we're going to get started with is misleading data charts. I'm going to show you a data chart, and then you tell me what is wrong with it. So take a look at it. It's probably, or it could be more than one thing. So whatever you spot, just write it in the comments, and then we will bring it up next video, next week. I'll tell you what I think about it, basically, and then I will summarize what you found too. And we will do that at the end of every data visualization video, because I think that is a wonderful way to learn how to read charts properly and educate ourselves so we don't get fooled by data charts. One last thing that I forgot, on the Discord server, there's going to be a link down below in case you haven't joined yet. I'm going to open 2 new channels, one called Misleading Chart and the other one called Good Chart, something like that. And I want your help to help me find misleading charts. Please give the source, and good charts too, so I can show on the videos. I will obviously give you proper credit, but make sure that if you haven't come up with that, you give me also the original source, so I can credit you both. Okay? So help me out, find bad charts, good charts, and join the Discord channel. The links will be down below. So I will see you again on Friday, where we will do the DAX solution for the video on Monday. Don't worry, you don't need to see the video on Monday on Power Query. If you don't want to, you will still be able to follow along, because I will explain the case again. Have a wonderful working day. I'm going back to the office, edit this video and publish it. Or the office. Yeah.